Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple Glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of Glam crystal candle holders, and these are going to be tea light holders. And so what you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants, and they are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. What you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a pair of these graduated height tea light holders. Now you could make them the same height if you like to do that. And you will need one pack of these tea light holders. They come in a set of 2. And you'll need 2 of these asymmetrical candle holders. Now I'm going to be assembling my project with hot glue, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond. If I decide to use any additional items for this project, I will list them in the description box for you as well. Well, these are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't these elegant, modern, glam tea light holders turn out absolutely beautifully? And they were so easy to make. Now you could certainly make them a little bit more elaborate if you'd like to do that, but I've chosen to go a little bit simpler with them. But let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.